a little roadside stop here on the way to Galibi. Got a couple hours to go. Just got a Gatorade, water, candy bar, some cookies, a little snack, kind of keep me alive on the way. That's pretty cool. Denny supermarket. Anyway, 2 hours left on this bus that we're taking. 2 hours on the bus and 2 hours on a boat, and then we'll be there. Apparently it's an Indian village. It's gonna be something completely different that we just went through. Yeah, let's hit the road. Is that a boat too? With this trees growing on it? I must have been there years. Holy shit. It's got a jungle growing off the boat that was sunk. Pulling up into French Guiana, just across the river from Albina. Not sure what we're doing.
But give me your stuff, so you have to go on. Okay.
Good?
Yes.
I'm not even sure what we're doing. We're taking up the boat to Galibi. It's supposed to be about an hour and a half up the river, but right across the French Guiana, so I think we're gonna go over here and do a little city walk or something. Got your passport? Yeah. Luck to see you. French Guiana. Oh, really?
Before they come here, they will run away with it. That's why they put it in a basket, so they can run fast.
Yeah, looks like that. Kicks them out.
This is called a local market. Local market. It look like this. And they were clean it. Now they're finished with it.
Booties, man. Hi. What'd you say? Go for a cold ass. Right? It's hot as hell. Yeah, it's hot. That's for damn sure. Doing a little stroll over here in French Guiana. Went and checked out a prison. Apparently everybody here speaks French and then they use euros. It's a local little street market. They're saying a lot of these people come illegally over here from Suriname across the river and sell it because they get more money. And they go back home and, you know, everything's worth a little bit more. Yeah. It's kind of crazy. Just across the river, they have a completely different language, different money, different way of life. French colony. Damn. Cool. Language? Don't speak nothing. Don't speak it.
Yes, no problem. No one there. No problem. You see the time? See the time? Oh. Home, local.
Yeah.
The difference, 1 hour difference.
1 hour difference there.
Automatically coming.
Yeah. When am I getting something nice cold to drink? They only got euros though.
the local market. You come, they eat it right here. Everything is peeling it right. They clean it for you, and you go at home only for cook, right?
Yeah.
That's why it looks like this. Okay, we go.
Rode up to Galibi. Windy as hell. Been sprinkling. We're gonna get poured on here in about 2 minutes. Damn. Hopefully our bags are soaked. Luckily I brought this little rain jacket. Yeah. Beautiful day. There better be some goddamn sea turtles on this beach. Wiped out. Totally worth it though. Getting ready for a little sea turtle tour out here. Gonna be about 20 minutes. Apparently we get up on a boat, gotta pull up in the dark, and they're gonna shine their little lights on it. And we're just gonna walk up. Hopefully we can catch them laying their eggs. He just went over it, about a half-hour little talk over how we're supposed to pull up. Have no flashlights apparently, because it kind of keeps them out of the zone, and they can't lay their eggs properly. Then they won't end up coming back. But apparently all these turtles end up coming back to the same places that they were born, which is pretty wild. So let's go all over the world and come right back to where they were born 30 years ago and still lay eggs every single year. But hopefully we can get some good footage, because I don't have a light and we can't use the lights on the turtles. But I think they said they had like red light cameras or red light flashlights. Hopefully we get something good. Wow, this place is pretty cool. Just had a good dinner. Had some chicken, some fried rice. It was like an eggplant salad with some green beans and some hot peppers. So those peppers are really good down here. Had some awesome hot sauce in the jungle village. Let's see if I can find some of Paramaribo, bring some home, and get back in this light so you guys can see me. Here we go. Yeah, there's a bunch of little frogs out here running around too. I'm looking forward to this. It should be a good time. Alright, let's go get these sea turtles, huh? Just got to the beach where the sea turtles are at. There's actually like little lines that you can see where they waddle the way up to the sand, up into the bank. It's gonna be too dark to even see anything, but at least I can walk you through it. Yeah, there's like two lines from each side of his, little flippers that little arms scooted the way all over the sand. There's like a little sand bank at the top where the beach ends. And they got up in there and they're actually laying their eggs right now. Like I said, we gotta wait till the eggs are done being laid, because it's digging the hole. And then we can go up there. Otherwise you disturb it and it kind of messes up the entire process and scares away the turtle. But damn, this is amazing right now. Under the moonlight on the beach, waves crashing in. It's really cool. No way. It's incredible. Turned around.
I see that one is coming.
God damn, it's massive. It's a huge sea turtle. It's probably the size of probably about 3 foot long, 2 foot wide, maybe 4 by 3 foot. Massive shell.
You will see. Maybe if you can time it out, you will see what time she will come up. Easy by
she's
easy.
right there.
Her own time,
Oh.
and she will go search for a comfortable place to dig,
Oh.
make her nest. Okay, we won't disturb that one. I see how far she is.
Yeah, it is. There's one out there in the distance just coming out of the water right now. Oh, now it's gone. Went in the water and disappeared. Wow. That one over there just took off.
Oh, she's gone.
She's gone.
Yeah, but she'll come. She make a U-turn.
Oh yeah?
Maybe she'll see another place.
So how many eggs do they lay at once?
100, 150.
150 at one time?
Yes.
They take 2 months to hatch.
In the begin that she come and land, then she lays on our 150 eggs.
Wow.
And she come 4 times, 3 to 4 times.
A year.
Yes, in a year, yeah.
He said they take 2 months to hatch
And
too?
the same place here also?
No, maybe here.
Oh,
yes,
on
the
the
same,
side.
yeah.
The same area.
Yes,
This is
in the
once
same
in a
side.
lifetime. Enjoy.
Yeah, this is awesome.
Yeah, and the babies, the small girls, they come after 2 months.
2 months.
Yeah.
So when she comes up out of that hole, does she bury that entire hole, or is it still a pretty big hole left there?
She lives the whole like this.
Hole like
yeah.
that. Wow. She gets in there pretty deep, don't she?
Yeah. Matra mong stop to, mga mo
At least a foot down, 2 foot down.
Kasi the marasa dito no.
Oh yeah. That's a big ass turtle. They get much bigger than that, or is that?
Yes, yesterday.
Yes. Yesterday.
One, yes.
Bigger than this.
Yeah.
Bigger than
Bigger
that?
than this. Yeah. Yes. Bigger than this. In Chotamon.
Wow.
This is just small. I have bigger one than this.
You said it's a green.
And you have to think.
The green turtle.
Green
Yeah.
turtle.
Then you just imagine how big is the leatherback.
Oh, huge.
Bigger than this.
Big,
This is
big
maybe-
was 1.70
I think Omilyari Onfer is
100 years
yes, maybe 100 years.
100 years
90
old.
years. Yes.
of 90 years, yes.
So over the course of 100 years, one turtle's made like 100,000 babies.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
That's amazing. She's kind of turning out of there a little bit, isn't she? Starting to back up. I see her head. I guess while the second turtle over there was digging her hole, laying her eggs, she got into another nest, flung one out. And since it has like a human scent on it, you can't put her back in the nest, otherwise it'll ruin the entire thing. As far as what the guide said, it's kind of a common thing because of so many turtles come up here and lay eggs, which is pretty wild. He said that turtle was 90 to 100 years old, and they lay four times a year at about 150 eggs apiece. That's 100,000 eggs for one turtle over the course of her lifetime. It's pretty wild.